first question I'm going to discuss with you exercise 8.2, question number 1, fifth part. Today we have a 2 periods, so I will try to finish complementary angles also. So this is 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 upon sin square 30 plus cos square 30. अभी देखिए, we have already done an identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So what it means? That means the sum of the square of these two angles will be 1 only if this angle is same. See, this angle is same. So here this is sin square 30 and this is cos square 30. This angle is same. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So that means sin square 30 plus cos square 30 will also be equal to 1. So without solving, you can put it equal to 1. So my denominator becomes 1. It is clear. Now, numerator. I can write 5 cos 60 whole square plus 4 secant 30 whole square minus tan 45 whole square. So which implies 5. From the table, you can see the value of cos 60. This is 1 by 2 whole square my plus 4. Now secant 30. Secant 30, that means reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is under root 3 by 2. So this is 2 over under root 3 minus tan 45. It is 1 over 1. So this is 5 upon 4 plus 2 is to 2, 4, 4 is to 4, 16 upon 3 minus 1. So which implies 12 is the LCM, 4 is to 3, 5 is to 3, 15, 4, 44. This is 16, sorry. So 4, 64 minus 1. So which implies 14 plus 64 upon 12. So this is 878 over 12. So this is the answer. So you can solve it further. It is up to you. After that, I'm going to question number 2, fourth part. 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, tan square 30. I want to find out the value and I have to match it with the help of the option which is given. A option cos 60, B option sin 60, C option tan 60, D option sin 30. So there are few options which are given. I have to match the values with those options. पहले ये नोट कर लें, फिर हमें बताएं so that I can start with the next question. So this is 2 is to the value of tan 30, 1 over under root 3, 1 minus 1 over under root 3 whole square, 2 upon under root 3 upon 1 minus 1 over 3. This is 2 over 3. It goes 3 over under root 3, which implies it is under root 3. So from the option, we have to see which value matches. So he has given us the first value, cos 60, A, cos 60. So cos 60, this is half, so it doesn't match. Come to option B, sin 60. So sin 60 is always equal to under root 3 by 2. This doesn't match. C value. Tan 60. Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to under root 3. Yes. This is the correct answer. So C is the perfect option. This is the correct option. Therefore, C is the correct answer. This is the answer. Then we'll move to question number 3. इसको note करके मेरे को बता दीजिए. Then I'll move to question number 3. Can I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Next is question number 4. Question number 3. Exercise 8.2. जरा ध्यान देना, important है. If tan A plus B tan A minus B you have to find out the value of A and B. अब देखिए, tan A plus B is equal to tan 60, which implies this angle must be is equal to 60, number 1. Tan A minus B, this is tan 30, which implies so A plus B is equal to 60, A minus B is equal to 30, add. So A is equal to 45, and what should be B? This is A plus B equal to 60. So B is equal to 60 minus 45, 15. So these are the value of E and this is the value of B. Now, question number 4th, important, very important for MCQ. So I'm going to discuss with you the entire question. ये नोट करके मेरे को बता दीजिएगा.
Noted, sir.
Noted.
Okay, still a few people are noting. No issue. Take your time. Check. Now, question number 4. The first part. State whether the followings are true and false. Justify your answer. The first thing is sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. This is false because when you will open sine A plus B, in trigonometry, algebraic multiplication is not possible. Moreover, this is an angle, so as trigonometric value can never be multiplied. So sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B. This is the formula you will learn in 11th. Cos A sine B. So both are not equal. When I will expand sine A plus B, it will be this, not this. So the first reason is false. Why? Because I have given you the reason, which implies sine A cos B plus cos A sin B are not, this is not equal to next is the value of sine theta increases as theta increase. Value of sine theta increase as theta increase. अब जरा ध्यान देना. In case of sine when theta is 0, the value of sine 0 it is 0. When theta is equal to 30, sine 30 this is half. So that means 0 से बढ़ गया. This is 45 sin 45 it is 1 over under root 2 थोड़ा सा और बढ़ गया. When theta is equal to 60 sin 60 under root 3 by 2 थोड़ा और बढ़ गया. When theta is equal to 90 sin 90 is equal to 1. So when the theta is moving from, when theta is going from 0 to 90, when it is going from 0 degree to 90 degree, the value of sine theta increases. So it is true. As theta increases from 0 to 90, the value of sine theta will also increase. Third part is the value of cos theta increases as theta goes from 0 to 90, तो इसको भी देखना पड़ेगा. When theta is equal to 0, cos 0 1, theta is equal to 30, cos 30 is equal.
Sir, it will decrease.
When theta is equal to 30, cos 30, this is equal to under root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to 45, cos 45 1 by under root 2. When theta is equal to 60, cos 60 1 by 2. When theta is 90, cos 90 is equal to 0. So this is false, because the value of cos theta decreases as the angle increases. Because value of cos theta decreases as angle theta increases. Fourth part, इसको नोट कर लो पहले, then we'll move to the fourth part. Fourth is saying sin A is equal to sin B for all values of A and B. False. Sin A is equal to sin B only if A is equal to B is equal to 45. If the value of A and B is 45, under those circumstances, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So it is possible only for angle 45 degree that both sin A and sin B will be equal, that both sin A equal to sin B. Last part. So I'm going to do the fifth part here, because those who are noting, let them. Fifth part. He's saying cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0. So now see, cot 0, this is equal to 1 over, sorry, cot 0 is equal to cos 0 upon sin 0. So cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So 1 by 0 is not defined. It is true. So cot 0 is not defined. So any difficulty to any students which I have discussed here, or any other difficulty to any students in exercise? Any other problem to any student in exercise?
No, sir.
या जो डिस्कस हुआ हो उसमें कोई किसी की कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मेरे से डिस्कस कर लो.
Sir, there in fourth question, instead of sin A equal sin B, it should be cos B, right?
Which fourth question, beta ji?
Sir, fourth part.
Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all value of theta. Which question you are talking?
Sir, fourth part.
किस क्वेश्चन का फोर्थ पार्ट पुत्र?
सर जो अभी किया
तो मैंने डिस्कस तो किया फोर्थ पार्ट.
सर sin A equal sin B.
कॉस भी
सर
कर.
अगर
कॉस in your book it is.
Okay, sir.
So can I go to the next question? Next topic. Everyone has noted? कोई ऐसा बच्चा जो स्टिल नोट कर रहा हो?
No, sir.
Noted, sir.
Noted, sir.
Next topic is trigonometric ratios of T ratios of complementary angles. तो सबसे पहले what are the complementary angles? देखिए, if the sum of the two angles is equal to 90, then angles are said to be complementary. Clear? If A plus B is equal to 90, so for example, the first angle is A, what should be the second? 90 minus B. 90 minus A, this is the second angle. If my first angle is A, my second angle will be 90 minus A. So A and B are complementary with each other. Here, so I'm going to discuss with you few results. Number one, sine 90 minus any angle. This will be cos theta. Cos 90 minus any angle. This is sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta, it will be cos theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, this is tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta, it will be cosecant theta. And cosecant 90 minus theta, this is secant theta. So now we will do the question based on these results, these 6 formulas. इसको नोट कर लीजिए पहले आराम से. Now, question based on these results. Example 9 is saying find tan 65 upon cot 25. What it means? tan 65 can be written as tan 90 minus 25. Because when you will subtract 25 from 90, you will get 65. So tan 65 is written as 90 minus 25 over cot 25. So आपको you have to apply formula on only one value. Don't apply formula in numerator and denominator both. किसी एक में करो, which implies, अब देखिए, I have a formula tan 90 minus 25. Tan 90 minus theta. This is my result. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This is. So tan 90 minus theta, whatever be the value of theta, it will come with cot. Clear? It is cot theta. So here the value of theta is 25. So I can write tan 90 minus theta. This is cot theta. So this is cot 25 upon cot 25. Cancel, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. Clear? So in the first step, what I did, I wrote 65 as 90 minus 25. Tan is as it is. Tan is as it is. Then apply the result. Tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta, it is cot theta. The value of theta is 25. So it is cot 25. Right? तो इसको note करिए. Then we'll rejoin with a new link. I will continue with the examples. We'll try to finish the exercise today. इसको नोट कर लो सब. Okay, see you.